Guys, someone beat their horn outside of my house. I'm not sure what happened. Today, I haven't been making videos for a week. I'm so sorry, guys. So today, we're going to be writing EASLR. So let's get into it. I'm going to go to YouTube. First, we will be doing New Zealand. Oh, this is scary. I don't think how scary he is. I might think actually how scary. I might think how scary EAS alarms are. Not how good they are. Sorry, guys. They're scary. 9 out of 10. They're so scary. We are going to be doing Papua New Guinea. Don't ask me why this is still in Oceania, because it doesn't matter what country Papua New Guinea. What? I'll give this one 4. This doesn't scare me at all. No more American Samoa. Okay. No, not American Samoa one. We're gonna do Macedonia. Macedonia ESA along this. So I want to be playing this song unless you like. Do you like and subscribe? So I will be playing in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I hear a car. We're going to wait for it to pass. Whoa. That was so scary. 8 out of 10. We're going to be doing Greece ASMR. Greece gets 6 out of 10. We're going to be doing Thailand. This is the most scariest one. My mum is Thai, by the way. If you want to hear this, just like and subscribe because I'm going to get scared. If you don't, you'll just get a punishment. I'll show you what your punishment is at the end. If you don't know, like LOL. I'm sorry, but please. That gets 25 out of 10. Okay, so guys, bye guys. I'll show you what your punishment is. So do you see the file on this screen right here? Yeah? That will be your punishment, so you'll have to walk into it. Bye guys, I'm only doing it. Bye. Oh my god, but please like and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye guys. Wait, what?